Welcome to the Thermopan installation guide. To install Thermopan, you will need the following tools: a box cutter or snips, a stapler, aluminum tape, and a ladder. Start by unboxing the Thermopan. You'll notice that the Thermopan sheets are pre-cut and scored to easily fit between joists. You can either mount Thermopan sheets flat or use the scored edges to recess within the joists. Start by dry fitting the Thermopan in line with the joists, with the printed side facing out. Once the Thermopan is visibly centered, secure it in place by stapling every 2 inches as indicated with the trademark Thermopan grid. To add the next section, you can use a Thermopan connector which easily slides over the lip of the Thermopan. Take the next section of the Thermopan and firmly secure it in place. You can also use aluminum tape to connect sheets as an alternative. Overlapping the Thermopan sheets is not necessary when using aluminum tape. Continue this process until you reach the end of the return air run. The last step is to close off the end of the return air with a Thermopan header. Bend the edges of the header inward to close off the ends of the joist space. Place the header with the printed side facing out and secure with staples every 2 inches. Finally, seal the base of the header with aluminum tape. And there you have it, a simple, lightweight, noise-free alternative to constructing metal return air ductwork. Subscribe to our channel for more installation guides and new product releases.